Good morning students, I myself Divakar Pandey from KUNTI Modern English School NAWADA, and welcome to back again for your e-learning class. Today I am going to discuss you my third part video for lesson 3, which belongs to Delhi Sultanate, and it is the lesson of class 7. In my previous videos I have already discussed you finding out the sources to get information about Delhi Sultanate, and I have already discussed you about Iltutmish and Razia Sultan. Today now our topic is from garrison to empire. It means how these garrisons that were not developed in earlier time, how these garrisons developed into empire. We have to study under this topic. And how did Delhi Sultans expand their areas, it means kingdom. So now we come to the topic, and without losing any time, I am going to discuss you. When we study the duration of early 13th century, when we study early the 13th century, we find that it was not easy. It was not easy for Delhi Sultans to control over the fortified towns occupied by garrisons. They seldom controlled over the hinterlands of the cities. Therefore, they had to depend upon trade, tribute, and plunder. Why? To fulfill their necessities. It means to supply the essential objects in their daily life. It was very difficult. It was very difficult to control over garrisons town from Delhi because that were in distant Bengal and Sindh. What were the reason for this? Yes, now we come to the reason why it was difficult for Delhi Sultanates to control over garrison cities or fortified cities. These reasons were, first of all, rebellion. Rebellion were Mongol rulers who always rebelled against them. So first reason was rebellion. Second, war. They had to face always war that were always against them by their enemies. And third was even bad weather. Even bad weather also used to snap possibly their communication routes, and by the weather disturbing of their communication routes, it always became difficult to take any internal information. In spite of these adverse facts, at that time Delhi's authority had to face also the challenge of Mongol invasions. I have already discussed you which type of difficulties they had to face. They had to face the challenge of Mongol invasions from Afghanistan, because Mongols always related with the country Afghanistan. So these were the Mongols that were the difficulties for Delhi Sultanates, who always challenged them, and sometimes their governors, it means their governors, Delhi Sultanat's governors also rebelled whenever they found any sign of Sultan's weakness. So these were the important reasons, and on the basis of these reasons, it may be said, it means we can say in other words that the Sultanate barely survived these challenges. Now the questions may be arised. What question may be arised? The question may be arised that under which rulers then the Delhi Sultanate expanded? Yes, these were the regions of Ghiyasuddin Balban, Alauddin Khalji, and Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Under these Delhi Sultans, it became possible to expand Delhi Sultanates. And how it became possible? Yes, they always expanded their areas through internal areas and external areas. When we discuss about internal areas, we can say that the people who used to live beside the Ganga and Yamuna Doab, the Sultans of Delhi expelled them out from that place, and forests were deforestation, and these places were provided to peasants for agricultural work. These lands were provided for agricultural works, through which the expansion of Delhi Sultanates started to take their form. And in this internal development, after this internal development, we have to study their external expansion. In my next video, I will discuss you about them. Thank you. Okay, have a nice day.